BNP leader Ishaq Hossain's supporters are continuously holding programs demanding administering his oath as Dhaka South City Corporation Mayor. The blockade program is underway since the morning. It will continue till 5 p.m. Ishaq supporters are continuously holding programs with placards and banners since 9 a.m. As previous, all DSCC services have kept closed. The program, organized under the banner of Dhaka Dwellers, was attended by Ishaq Hossain's supporters and former BNP councillors from various wards of South City Corporation, leaders and activists of BNP, Jubo Dol, Mohila Dol, Chhatro Dol and Shromik Dol. They said if Ishaq is not sworn in as mayor soon, they will launch a stricter program.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।